Today, this is class 6th, subject English, dated 24th of April. आज हम sentences की किस्में जानना चाहेंगे क्योंकि कल हमने पढ़ा था what is a sentence. Today we will read about kinds of sentence. Kinds of sentences. There are different kinds of sentences depending upon the mode of expression. कौन कैसे बात करता है, कौन सी बात करता है. It formulates the structures rather the kinds of sentences. There are many kinds of sentences. First, I will write assertive or declarative. A sentence that asserts something or declares something. A sentence that asserts or declares something, some statement. For example, I say that sun rises in the east. Sun rises in the east. Sun rises in the east. This is a declarative sentence. He never tells lie. He never tells lie. वो कभी झूठ नहीं बोलता है. These two sentences, first is declarative, second is assertive. Though it is negative sentence, but this sentence we call as assertive and declarative sentences. Second is interrogative. Interrogative sentence. A sentence that interrogates something from you, that asks, rather a sentence that in which we question it, question a person about any fact, about anything. For example, where are you going? Where or where are you going? It is followed by note of interrogation. आप कहाँ जा रहे हो? What is your name? What is your name? Such sentences in which we inquire something about a fact or a person or anything. These are called interrogative sentence. A sentence in which we are being interrogated or we interrogate something. Third, imperative sentences. Imperative sentences. देखो, हमें इस सेंटेंस के नाम से नहीं जाना जाए क्योंकि दिस सेंटेंस इंपरेटिव सेंटेंस में क्या होता है, इसमें एडवाइस हो सकती है, रिक्वेस्ट हो सकती है और ऑर्डर हो सकता है. ए सेंटेंस दैट कंटेन्स एडवाइस, रिक्वेस्ट और ऑर्डर, तीन चीजें इसमें हो सकती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, व्हाट इज एडवाइस? वॉक स्लोली. वॉक स्लोली, आहिस्ता चलो. It's an advice given by mostly by elders. Number 2, please give me your pen. Order, shut the door. In imperative sentences में subject hidden होता है, subject इनमें नहीं होता है. To whom मैं किसे कहता हूँ shut the door? It is you. You people. किसे मैं कहता हूँ walk slowly? It is you people to whom I am talking. Thanks. कल हम दूसरे पार्ट पढ़ने जा रहे हैं.